Good morning, my lovely kids. Wishing you all a lovely morning and a wonderful day. I am your Reena ma'am, and today we will revise in order alphabet A to Z. So, let's start our session by revising alphabet A to Z through some pictures. Alphabet A. A says A. A for airplane. Alphabet B. B says B. B for bell. Alphabet C. C says K. C for car. Alphabet D. D says D. D for duck. Alphabet E. E says E. E says E. E for eagle. Alphabet F. F says F. F for fish. Alphabet G. G says G. G for girl. Alphabet H. H says H. H for hen. Alphabet I. I says I. I says E. I for injection. Alphabet J. J says J. J for jam. Alphabet K. K says K. K for kingfisher. Alphabet L. L says L. L for leaf. Alphabet M. M says M. M for mug. Alphabet N. N says N. N for nest. Alphabet O. O says O. O for octopus. Alphabet P. P says P. P for parrot. Alphabet Q. Q says Q. Q for queen. Alphabet R. R says R. R for rainbow. Alphabet S. S says S. S for snail. Alphabet T. T says T. T for teapot. Alphabet U. U says A. U says U. U for up. Alphabet V. V says V. V for van. Alphabet W. W says W. W for window. Alphabet X. X says X. X says Z. X says X. X for X-ray. Alphabet Y. Y says Y. Y for yoga. Alphabet Z. Z says Z. Z for zebra crossing. Kids, after revising in order alphabet A to Z, let us write in order alphabet A to Z in our class workbook. Kids, you have to write in order alphabet A to Z in your English workbook, page number 74. Kids, first of all, we will write today's date. 2 3 23 dot 1 2 12 dot 20 20 in order alphabet A to Z. So let's start writing. For capital A, from red line make a slanting line, again make a slanting line and a slipping line. For small a, make a C curve, go up, come down straight. Now we will write alphabet B. For capital B, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, again make a curve. For small b, from red line, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. Now we will write alphabet C. For capital C, start from little below red line, make a C curve, go little bit up. For small c, start from little below first blue line, make a C curve, go little bit up. Now we will write alphabet D. For capital D, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. For small d, make a standing line, go up, make a C curve. Now we will write alphabet E. For capital E, make a standing line, make a slipping line, again make a short slipping line and a long slipping line. For small e, make a slanting line, go up, make a C curve. Now we'll write alphabet F. For capital F, make a standing line, make a sleeping line and a short sleeping line. For small f, start from little below, red line, make a curve, come down straight, make a sleeping line. Now we'll write alphabet G. For capital G, start from little below, red line, make a C curve, go up, make a sleeping line inside. Now we'll write alphabet small g. Make a C curve, go up, come down straight, make a curve. Now we'll write alphabet H. For capital H, make a standing line, again make a standing line and a sleeping line. For small h, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight. Now we'll write alphabet I. For capital I, make a sleeping line. From here, make a standing line and again make a sleeping line. For small I, make a standing line, put a dot. Now we'll write alphabet J. For capital J, make a sleeping line. From here, make a standing line, make a curve, go a little bit up. For small j, make a standing line till red line, make a curve, go a little bit up, put a dot. Now we'll write alphabet K. For capital K, make a standing line, make a slanting line. From here, make one more slanting line. For small k, make a standing line, make a slanting line, and from here, make one more slanting line. Now we'll write alphabet L. For capital L, make a standing line and a sleeping line. For small l, make a standing line. Now we will write alphabet M. For capital M, make a standing line, go up, make a slanting line, go up, make a slanting line and come down straight. Now we'll write alphabet small m. For small m, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight, again go up, make a curve, come down straight. Now we'll write alphabet N. For capital N, make a standing line, go up, make a slanting line, go up, make a standing line. For small n, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down straight. Now we'll write alphabet O. Make a C curve and a reverse C curve. For small o, again make a C curve and a reverse C curve. Now we'll write alphabet P. For capital P, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. For small p, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. Now we'll write alphabet Q. For capital Q, make a C curve and a reverse C curve. From here, make a slanting line. For small q, make a C curve, go up, come down straight, make a slanting line. For now here we'll write alphabet R. For capital R, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, leave little bit space and from here make a slanting line. For small r, make a standing line, go up, make a curve. Now we'll write alphabet S. For capital S, start from little below red line, make a C curve, reverse C curve and go a little bit up. For small s, start from little below, first blue line, make a C curve and a reverse C curve, go a little bit up. Now we'll write alphabet T. For capital T, make a sleeping line. From here, make a standing line. For small t, start from little below red line, make a standing line, make a curve, go a little bit up and make a sleeping line on first blue line. Now we'll write alphabet U. For capital U, from red line, make a standing line, make a curve, go up till red line. For small u, start from first blue line, make a standing line, make a curve, go up, come down straight. Now we'll write alphabet V. For capital V, make a slanting line and again make a slanting line and go up. For small v, start from first blue line, make a slanting line and go again make a slanting line. Now we'll write alphabet W. For capital W, start from red line, make a slanting line, go up, again make a slanting line, come down slanting and again go up slanting. Now we'll write small w. From first blue line, make a slanting line, go up till first blue line, come down again till second blue line and again go up making slanting line till first blue line. Now we will write alphabet S. X for capital X. From red line make a slanting line. And again from red line make one more slanting line. For small x, from first blue line make a slanting line. And again from first blue line make one more slanting line. Now we will write alphabet Y for capital Y. From red line make a slanting line. And from red line make one more slanting line till second blue line. For small y, from first blue line make a slanting line. And again from first blue line make slanting line till red line. Now we will write alphabet Z. From red line make a slipping line, make a slanting line, and again make a slipping line. For small z make a slipping line, make a slanting line, and again make a slipping line. Kids, you have to write in order alphabet A to Z in your homework page number 41. Kids, after writing in order alphabet A to Z in our workbook, now let's learn a new concept, that is missing alphabet. To learn the concept of missing alphabet, let's see an activity. Kids, in this activity, I have kept some flashcards of alphabet, and here as you can see, some flashcards are missing. On this plate, I have kept these missing alphabet. In this activity, we have to keep these alphabet in their correct place. So let's start this activity. First of all, this is alphabet A. And after alphabet A, which alphabet is missing here? Yes, alphabet B. So let's find where is alphabet B. Yes, so we will give alphabet B here. Now this is alphabet C. After alphabet C, which alphabet is missing here? A, B, C, D. So we will give alphabet D here. Yes, now after alphabet D, which alphabet is missing here? A, B, C, D. Yes, alphabet E. So let's find where is alphabet E. Yes, so we will keep alphabet E here. Now this is alphabet F. After alphabet F, which alphabet is missing here? E, F, G. So we will keep alphabet G here. Yes, this is alphabet G. Now this is alphabet H. After alphabet H, this is alphabet I. And after alphabet I, which alphabet is missing here? E, F, G, H, I, J. So let's find where is alphabet J. Yes. So we'll keep alphabet J here. Now this is alphabet K. After alphabet K, which alphabet will come here? I, J, K. Yes, alphabet L. So let's find. Yes, this is alphabet L. Now after alphabet L, which alphabet is missing here? I, J, K, L. Yes, alphabet M. So we will keep alphabet M here. Now this is alphabet N. After alphabet N, which alphabet is missing here? M, N, O. So let's find where is alphabet O. Yes. So we will keep alphabet O here. Now this is alphabet P. After alphabet P, this is alphabet Q. And after alphabet Q, which alphabet is missing here? Q, R. So let's find where is alphabet R. Yes. So we'll keep alphabet R here. Now this is alphabet S. So after alphabet S, which alphabet is missing here? Q, R, S, T. Yes, very good. Now this is alphabet T. So we'll keep alphabet T here. Now after alphabet T, which alphabet will come here? Q, R, S, T, U. Very good. Now we'll keep alphabet U here. Now this is alphabet V. After alphabet V, which alphabet is missing here? U, V, W. Very good. Now we'll keep alphabet W here. Now this is alphabet X. After alphabet X, this is alphabet Y. And after alphabet Y, which alphabet is missing here? Tell me, kids. Yes, alphabet Z. So we will keep alphabet Z here. Very good, kids. Kids, I hope with the help of this activity, you have learned the concept of missing alphabet. I hope with the help of this session, you have learned how to write in order alphabet A to Z in your workbook. Take care, kids. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.